Alright, this is the day after Lucian's first Christmas. Oh yeah. Someone has caught up on the sleep he missed yesterday, didn't you? I know. We are currently snowed in. I'm about to voyage outside and see how really deep it is. They are calling for about a foot of snow at the most, and we're supposed to get hit the hardest here. No one believed Mommy when I said we were going to have a really bad Christmas, did they? No, but you did, didn't you? Oh. Mama's gonna voyage outside. Oh, say good luck, huh? You say good luck, Mommy? Good luck, Mommy.